Okay, number 2. The first step we have to do is isolate the log. So remember, the log is the word log, the base of 5 in this case, and the argument of x minus 1. Everything else is not part of the log. So that plus 4 is not part of the log, and the denominator of 2 is not part of the log. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4 over. I wouldn't want to try to get rid of the 2 first, because remember, whatever I do to one thing, I have to do to everything. So I would have to multiply everything by 2 here, meaning I would have to multiply more than I need to. First, I'm going to subtract 4 over. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now I can get rid of that denominator of 2. Right now it's divide by 2. Opposite operation of divide is multiply. So to get rid of that 2, I just multiply both sides by 2. The 2's cancel, and I'm left with log base 5 of x minus 1 is equal to 1 times 2 is 2. So now I've isolated my log. I can now get rid of the log. I get rid of log by doing opposite operation. Opposite operation of log is exponential, meaning I have to exponentiate both sides. So I use the same base of 5, and I create a big base of 5 on both sides, putting the log in the exponent. Now 5 raised to the power of log base 5 cancels to be 1, and you're left with just x minus 1 on the left hand side is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2. 5 raised to the power of 2 is just 25. And then I just need to add 1 over to get x by itself. So x here is equal to 26. Now before I can circle this, as always, I must check the solution. So I'm going to put 26 back into the original equation for x. So I have log base 5 of 26 minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So first thing I need to do is evaluate the log. In order to evaluate the log, I must have that argument be one term. So 26 minus 1 is 25. Oh my gosh. It's fine. Just forgot to write it. Divided by 2. So same exact thing. I first need to get the argument to be one term. So log base 5 of 25 all divided by 2 plus 4 is equal to 5. So I'm still trying to evaluate that log. You ask yourself, what power do you raise 5 to equal 25? You raise 5 to the power of 2 to be 25. So log base 5 of 25 evaluates to be 2. So this whole thing evaluates to be 2. Then I continue solving. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. The left-hand side equals the right-hand side, meaning my solution of 26 is valid, and I can circle it and be done.